Hey, it's Olivia on Star Gossip saying I've become a product.
Tech creator and host of Chicken Soup Data has built a global following since the launching the KK Interview series back in 2014. Bitnov says revealing the emotional side of ufernigheid sitjes and it's not all lages and awkward flirting. And it's not all lages and awkward flirting. Chicken Soup Data became a cultural phenomenon thanks to Amelia's deadpan humor and hilariously incomfortable celebrity interviews. Tesoves veral clips dominate social media, turning Amelia into one of the most recognizable digital personalities. De vrij persona dat made her famous novkar, fans have ralit behind her honesty, praising her for speaking out about the realities of fans have proving sis more than just for all moments. One thing is certain, Amelia de Moldenberg isn't just a trend. Sis a creator navigating fame on her own terms.